Hey guys, this is Lester Diaz, and today I want to bring you a quick review for Facebook AutoPost Pro, and basically what this software is all about. And I think that if you're using Facebook for any type of marketing purposes, or you're trying to build fan pages to make money with affiliate marketing, or perhaps you're trying to create, you have multiple Facebook pages and you want to sell t-shirts, whatever that is, then you can use this software to automate the entire process of managing all your Facebook pages. And I think this is really cool, which is why I decided to create this video to show you what this software is all about. Now, as you can see right here, you can see some of the features that allow you to set up an entire Facebook campaign within the software, allowing you to automate the entire process. You can find information and content to post on your page automatically, along with promotions and affiliate links to your page. And so imagine just being able to set up an entire week's or month work of content to your Facebook page, knowing that the software is actually working for you, so you don't have to worry about it. All you have to worry about is running your business. So you can automatically schedule and post content in the software. It is Facebook terms and service approved, so that means that you're not going to be at risk of having your Facebook account closed or your Facebook pages closed or anything like that. It takes just a couple minutes to set up, and in fact, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do in order to set up an entire campaign. Automatically monetizes your post, and I think this is really important because you can actually schedule to promote different content and at the same time have links pointing to an affiliate product, to your own website, to a video, to anything pretty much that you want related to that niche. And that's going to bring you traffic automatically because the software is actually working for you. So I'm not going to go on and on of what this software is going to do. I'm actually going to show you what it does and in the following demo video, so you can see exactly what the software does and how you can use it for your business. So stay tuned.
Hey guys, making this fairly quick demonstration video to show you how you can set up a campaign and add lots and lots of content to that campaign in 5 minutes or less. Now, when you first log into your account, you're going to have to add your Facebook account to our system. As you can see, I've already done that. So we have a checklist to follow, and the first one is to add your Facebook account to the system and then import all your Facebook fan pages. The next thing we need to do is add a content list. Now, a content list is a list where you can store all the content you pulled in from various sources. Now, we have Facebook fan pages you can get content from. We have YouTube. We have Bing images, and we also have content from the World Wide Web. So let's first of all add a content list. So we're going to click on the setup link next to each of the tasks. We'll click on the setup link, and we need to create a name for this list. Now I'm going to create a list for the Seattle Seahawks. Now the list description can be the description of the list. It could be Seattle Seahawks affiliate links or anything you like. For this example, I'm going to call it Seattle Seahawks. Click on create list, and as you can see, with no content added to that list. So let's go back to the dashboard. And now that task has been completed. We've got a green tick saying complete. The next thing we need to do is configure your special offer ad and possibly add some comments. Now, comments are posted above the post when your content is posted out to your Facebook fan page, and those comments can be spun. Now, we're going to go into a different video on that. For this example, I'm just going to create a special offer ad. Again, click on the setup link, and I've now had set up. Click on create new ad. As you can see, we've got the list there, the Seattle Seahawks. Now, if you've got lots of lists, you need to make sure you've chosen the correct list to add the advert to. The ad name is just for your reference only. Again, we're going to Seahawks, ad headline, Seahawks fan club. You can add anything there. If it was a t-shirt, it could be grab your special Seahawks tee if you want to add that as a headline. And that will show above the advert on the pop-up advert on your fan page. We need to add the image URL for the image that's going to show on the pop-up advert. This example, I'm going to use a Seahawks image. The redirect URL could be the redirect URL to any affiliate product, or if this was a t-shirt, it would go to your Teespring campaign. So basically add any URL you want to in the example. I'm going to add google.com. Now, when the pop-up advert pops up, then there'll be two buttons. One button will be for accepting the offer, and the other one will be for declining the offer. So for this example, I'm going to put yes, I want it. As you can see, we've got default ones in there. Click on no thanks. You can choose the display advert, so how many times it actually posts onto your fan page. Now, you don't want to have a pop-up advert showing every time someone clicks on one of your pieces of content. It'll really annoy them. So you can get the system to post it every second post, every third post, etc. I'm going to leave it on second post example. Click on save. And that list has now been saved. So go back to the dashboard. We can now add some content. As you can see, each time one of those tasks is complete, we now get a green tick. Click on setup. We need to add some content, so I'm going to click on search for content. We search by keyword. I'm going to search for Seattle Seahawks. I'm going to get some content from other Facebook fan pages. Click on search. Now the system is now going out to Facebook and searching all the fan pages that have Seattle Seahawks listed in the title and also in the content. Give it a second or two to pull it back. As you can see, we've got the sports team there. That's the official page. If you want to see what that page looks like, click on the view this content link. And then you can see that looks like it's the official Seahawks page. We'll add that. So we need to choose the list we want to add it to. Again, I've only got one list. Make sure you add it to the correct list. Save selected content source. We've now got 10 pieces of content from one content feed. We now have to add some more. So we'll go back to content feeds. As you can see on the left hand side menu, we've got them there as well. Search for content. This time I'm going to add some images. So we'll go for images and we'll look for some Seahawk memes. Click on search. And as you can see there, we've got lots and lots of images we can now select. So I'm going to select the first 2 or 3. I add 10 pieces of content. If I save the selected content, you can see now we have 2 saved entries, 12 I should say, and 3 saved content feeds. Let's go back and get some more. We'll search for content again. This time we'll search on YouTube. So we'll search for videos. Again, Seattle Seahawks. Click on search. I'll add the first 2 or 3 videos. Select the selected content to that list. We now have 13 pieces of content saved. Let's now go back to the dashboard. We now have to configure our campaign. So click on setup, create new campaign. I'm just going to call this Hawks. I need to choose the fan page that I want to post the content to. Now I don't have a Seattle Seahawks fan page. I'll just choose this one here that's coming in from this Facebook account. I choose how often I want the content to be posted. In this example, I'm going to choose every hour. Now the minimum is 30 minutes, so no less than 30 minutes, or every hour, every day, every month. You can choose whether you want the content to be posted consecutively from the list. So basically, that's as the list is created, it will pick the first piece of content and the second, or you can choose it to pick it at random from the list. Now we can also select how often or when the content is finished posting, whether you want the content to start posting again. So if you had 100 pieces of content in your list you've gathered from all the various sources, then once all the content is finished posting, it will start all over again. So you can really set and forget this system once you've set it up. So click on create campaign. Now you can see it's been created. Go back to the dashboard, and now we can see the campaigns that have been set up in the campaign list here.